So hello everyone. Today's our first day to learn English in 100 days. Sorry. I mean to say that one thing that was about of my life, and then you have to learn English. So you have only speak. You have to speak only English. After you can learn English in 100 days. I mean to say that. You are not perfect in English in 100 days, but you can uh, speak fluently in English in 100 days. So I have to speak only for 10 minutes in this video, or there are many things to talking about with you, but I can't talk in English. Uh, um, but I can't talk these some things in English. So I will tell you these some things in short videos uh, on YouTube. Then you know it, because you can't understand my English, because I am not fluently speak in English. Because I am trying to speak fluently in English, or uh, there are many things, because wait for a car. So there are many things to talk with you, but I tell you one thing, because uh, um, I actually started the YouTube channel because my first YouTube channel is already available on YouTube. The name I can't tell you, but then my growth on YouTube on this channel. After I can tell you my YouTube channel, that was I tell on that channel I am telling some knowledgeable videos, short videos actually so there are many things to do. Then you don't understanding my English, so you can't skip my video. But I am trying to speak perfectly on perfectly on this video, because I am and if there are many things. Wait, huh? So I was thinking, and I'm telling you that one thing, why I start a YouTube channel, and why I start 100 day challenge. Because today's times, there are everything you see, there are English label is pasted on this thing. Because I take this phone, their there on the back English label is already pasted. Because my house member, my family members can't read in English, and they are not interested to learn English. But I am trying to speak English and learning English, because our village anyone cannot speak in English. So because today's time, then you have to live in this then you have to live then you have to live in this time, so you have to learn English, otherwise you die. So these some reasons, and one thing or one more reason to speak on English, because my family members can't not ready for talking me in English with. Otherwise I can't upload on YouTube on videos on YouTube actual man. So wait, huh? Okay, so one thing, that was it, that uh, then why I speak English without any learners. Because I tried very long time. I already take coaching of English, but the time is then I learning in the 8th class. Then I take a coaching with my sister, my elder sister. So I can't learn English. But then I understand that was one thing, that English we have to learn. So uh, one thing I will tell you, that the smallest child, then the as a first year child, first he was listening only Hindi. Then you know that Hindi वो सबसे sorry, he first listen the Hindi, and second year he listening the Hindi. After he can speak in Hindi. So you have to first listen in English. After you can speak in English. So there are. So what do you do now? So now you have to do only. You have to speak in English. And the end of and one thing. One thing or you have to, yeah, you have to like our Indians English. You have to only listen. You don't have to listen English US UK their speakers. Don't you have to listen English. You have to listen English ours India's speakers. You understand what I'm saying? I tell you in short video. Okay, so wait मैं एक and whenever I search on YouTube English topic, so their videos only tell me one thing: you have to speak in English, you have to speak in English, you have to speak in many people. We have many people telling us that you have to learn vocab, tenses, or grammar, then you can speak English. So my opinion, first you have to learn 20% conversation English. After you can speak, after you can learn vocab, tenses, or grammar, because then we learn the conversation English, then we are English person, but I mean to say, then we are able to learn grammar, vocab, or tensions. So you have to first trying to speak in English, only speak in English. First you have to try to uh, listen English. Actually listen in English, after you can speak in English. Actually I'm many days to trying to in English or wait, huh? And now I tell something myself. First time I start YouTube channel on 11th class, vlog channel, short vlog channel, and I already uploaded 16-17 videos on YouTube. After some days my phone is broke. First phone my is broke, so I flop it and my vlog channel is stopped. So I am very sad that time. After I can not trying to make a YouTube channel, I am not trying to make channels on YouTube. After I can start a oh sorry, I telling you my YouTube channel, then I run on these some channels. Sorry, यहाँ पे so wait. So that was the first time I speak in English. On that time, long time I speak in English, and my mind is totally blank about this language, because I first time speak in English. So I am very nervous about this language. So you have to first listen English. So I am telling something. How can you starting speak in English? So first you have to listen in English, and first you have to check this: you written in English or not. Then you written in English rightly, perfectly. After you can listen in English. After you can think in English. After you can speak English perfectly. So I can't think perfectly in English. So I am trying to speak in English. After suppose I can in English. So I am trying to speak only a 10 minutes English. The video is finishing now. So that was my some talks in English 10 minutes. And you, how can you feel my English, and you understand or not? Please tell me in comments. Or there are many things to talk in about you, but I can't tell you in English. So I have telling you these are some things on short video on YouTube. So you all are ready for second video on second day. So thank you for watching, and then you like this video or subscribe video, or thank you.